Small everyday changes for weight loss. 1. Get up and drink a glass of water. I my day like this to remain hydrated and gets my metabolism moving. 2. Not ever skip breakfast. I consume a protein-packed meal every morning. 3. Undertaking. Some days it's a run across the neighborhood, other occasions it can be a weight training session, yoga classification, or tennis. 4. Consume mindfully. Snacking all day or no longer paying awareness to how so much I used to be eating was dangerous to my weight. Late afternoons have been especially hazardous for me since when my starvation soared, my eyes would scour each shelf within the pantry or fridge watching for something to consume, healthy or no longer. Now I normally have smart alternatives to nosh on: a basket of contemporary fruit, baggies of sliced veggies, uncooked nuts, all natural granola, and cans of chickpeas, which I coat with olive oil and spices, then throw on foil and place within the oven at 400 levels for 40 to 45 minutes. Tried. 5. Consume a veggie and protein-packed lunch and dinner. Usually I eat a salad at lunch, but commonly I experience leftovers from the night time earlier than. Whatever the case, I plan my midday meal and dinners long earlier than I am hungry. 6. Take 10,000 steps every day. Moreover, to endeavor, staying active throughout my day has proven to be very priceless for me. It can be powerful how way more power I've had considering the fact that I began aiming for my step purpose. 7. Prevent late night munching. I've heard that almost all persons consume the majority of their calories late at night time, and that was me in my former existence. At present I once in a while have a snack after dinner, however as a rule I simply drink tea or water. I've noticed that once I do, my belly feels lighter within the morning. 8. Pass sugar and alcohol. Each of these empty calorie treats was hazardous to my sleep and waistline, so I said goodbye to both a couple of months in the past, and now I sleep so good every night. Plus it's fun gazing the quantity on the scale go down.